the combination of these 5 powerful AMPK triggers could work for you. That's why the scientists at Nation Health MD included the next AMPK trigger. It works fast. And believe it or not, it's probably one of your favorite spices. You probably crave it starting the fall and keep enjoying it all through the holiday season. I'm talking about cinnamon. Cinnamon has been used by ancient healers since 2000 BC, and now modern science shows how powerful the spice really is, especially when it comes to blood sugar. In one study, scientists gave volunteers with blood sugar problems either cinnamon or a placebo. And then they immediately took blood tests on their volunteers. Result? The scientists were astonished to see that the volunteers taking cinnamon had significantly lower blood sugar levels. And that's not all. They also had improved insulin sensitivity. Even more amazing, these results happened seconds after taking cinnamon. That's right, not months, not weeks, not days, just a handful of seconds. But would these lightning-fast results last? The scientists decided to find out. So the scientists ran another blood test 12 hours later, and the results made their jaws drop because the people taking cinnamon had maintained their balanced blood sugar and healthy insulin sensitivity for 12 hours straight. And clinical studies show why cinnamon works so quickly to help you maintain healthy blood sugar. That's right, it triggers AMPK. And cinnamon does even more than drop blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. New research shows it also promotes healthy fasting blood sugar and A1C levels, reduces blood sugar spikes after meals, and even supports healthy cholesterol levels. But before you start adding cinnamon to everything you eat, there's a real danger you need to know about.